decided to shoot a video of my awesome mini fridge that is old school electric. From Life Gives You Lemons, paint that shit gold! A little feature of the Joe Nathan and Katie Collins apartment. You got can holders, baby. Can holders. Who the fuck would invent that shit? So when you're drunk, it's easy to drink. And we have some more down there. And we got Mike's Twisted Tea. Always on spot. This nice little guardrail thing right here that keeps everything from falling. And these can things can be adjusted up and down, but you cannot hold a bottle because the bottle would just fall out. We've got some milk that's probably old. Look, more alcohol and creamsicle soda. And then over here you can put your 2 liters. More alcohol. These shelves adjust to any specs. This is the ice holder tray. This is supposed to leak, but right now we have a spray thing in there. I didn't know she put that in there. And this is the fridge with some old chocolate. This isn't getting too bad. I've seen these things get really bad and not move. There's your freezer vent up there in the corner. And there's a model sticker. That's pretty much that. It's got that nice bang. I traded this up for a street bike, and that's pretty much that. And then on the top we have stickers, on the side we have stickers, and on the top we have a counter of our work schedule. So that way when I start drinking I can figure out when I don't work. And then back there it's just plugged in. Back there you're not going to be able to see, but it has a normal coil setup. And it has a normal grounded plug, thank God. Because you know how if we had a thunderstorm, that would be good. And over there is our green comfy chair. This chair is lovely. You can fall asleep in this chair. Look, it even has a smiley face. Hello, look at me. Hi, I'm Mr. Chair. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha.